Alright, this is going to be part 2 of a repair on a Gallagher B100, B200, B300. This particular model I've got in my hands right now is a B200. We've already repaired it. It's good to go. So if you want to check out that, I've got other videos on it, but I've got a part 1. There'll be a link down in the description area. You can click on the link and take it to the part 1 video if you need to, if you haven't watched it already. So now we're going to move on to the solar panel. And I did talk to the customer, and they're not going to, the base of the unit is all busted and broken, they said too. All they brought me was the top cover and the solar panel. But he said he doesn't care about that. He's going to make his own battery thing and all that stuff. So he said he doesn't even need those brackets on there. He's going to put the unit inside of a box and mount the solar panel on the outside. So that's what he wants to do with it. So what we're going to do is we're going to wire up a solar panel for him, and we're also going to put a regulator on here as well, because the factory one didn't have one. So we're going to put a regulator on here too. Pretty simple to wire up when all you're trying to do is charge a battery, not trying to run a unit or anything. You know, you can screw these to wherever, but what I do is I just put some double-sided foam on the back of them. We saw all this stuff, so we need parts for it. We've got parts for all this stuff. Once that double-sided foam tape stuff hardens up and stays in place, you don't have to worry about it anymore. So I'm going to offset it like that. Nice thing is, once it hooks up to a battery, this thing automatically starts to come on. You can go through different settings on there, everything. But it's the first thing we need to do. We need to wire the panel to the unit, to the regulator. So we're got plenty of wire there. Don't need all the extra. There's a positive and negative inside here. Oops. Let me get something else to strip that back with. Don't want to cut too deep into it and cut the wire like I did the last one. Look at the discharge board. It had the blue thing on it. Discharge board is the one by the capacitor. Yeah, it's already got the kit in there. What's it doing? It might be that display board. It's like a helicopter. First wire, the first terminal is the positive for the solar panel. Shove it in there, tighten it up, make sure it's snug. Second one is the negative for the solar panel. we got these two wires. They're going to go to the negative and positive of the battery. So the solar panel is all wired up. These two terminals don't matter. It goes to an external load, which we're not trying to run, nothing like that. But the solar panel and regulator are all wired up, ready to go. But one thing I got to check on his unit is for whatever reason, his battery wire would not power up his unit. Looking for? Well, I don't know if I've got a full kit.
I know, you're going to get 103 or 102, they use the same.
There's a 102 needs inputs. That 102 right there, I think has a display in it.
It's the same as the Mark 8. SD5, Mark 8 is the same.
So we're going to see what's wrong with this one. So this, inside the clamps look good. There's a wire that plugs in down inside here. And for whatever reason, that connector is corroded or something. Let's plug it back on here because this wouldn't power up his unit earlier. I had to use my cable and it worked fine. So let's try it again just to see what we got going on here. See, won't power on. So something wrong somewhere. This has got a little catch on it. We got to squeeze and so the display was bad. Well, it's a nice cheap fix. Huh?
I didn't see it. Let's see, it's missing a green. Hope he's got it.
Still not coming on. Right on.
This one's in there since he sent it on the 4th of January. He said he needed a line through his teeth.
It still won't come on, so his clamps are fine. This wire's no good. It's probably inside that contact there. It's probably going. It's all corroded inside there, so I'm not going to dick around trying to clean it and that sort of mess. Let's just put a new wire on there. Don't have to worry about any kind of weird connection problems in the future. There's a new cable. Put some dielectric grease on there just to hopefully help it out some. Looks like he's in a pretty rough environment for corrosion and stuff, so we're going to try to help out where we can. Put some dielectric grease on here. screwdriver. Now it's connected up. Battery, power supply to it. Make sure it still comes on. Alright, so this one's all done. So he's got the solar panel all wired up for what he's going to do. He's going to put this top unit inside of like a plastic compartment box thing, and he's going to put a solar panel on top. He's going to run the wires from the solar panel regulator that we've got wired up for him down to his battery, and then this will wire on, clip onto his battery as well. So the good thing about that regulator is it's got a pretty good warranty on it. Like 5-year or 10-year or whatever. I think it's 5-year warranty on the solar panel and the or 20-year I think on the solar panel, and like 5-year on the regulator. Pretty waterproof, water hardy. And then the repairs on this one, I've got a 1.5-year warranty on it. So, but hopefully you like that kind of stuff. All information is down in the description area, but there's our information right there. Fencer, Fixer, Repair, LLC, not Fence Fixer. And fencerfixer.com is my website. So if you got a unit you've worked on, we'll be happy to take a look at it for you. Until next time, we'll see you guys later on.